So now I'm going to work on my bottom color. And what I've done is I've taken some tracing paper. Let's pull it off here. Well, I have a little piece of tracing paper here. And what I did is I put the tracing paper on top of this picture and I just drew a couple little lines. So we're going to make something that's very unique. And now what I need to do is put that drawing onto my mat. So what I want to do is just trace over the lines that I have already drawn. And again, your pencil lead will come off onto the mat board and leave me the design that I want to cut out. And we're not going to go all the way around this picture. We're only going to put just a little bit of design. Okay, so now I take my design off, and as you can see, we have now the design here. It's a little light, so there's a couple places where I just want to redraw.